Welcome back for another episode of Grammar Friday with Mrs. Baker. Today we are going to review the parts of speech. A noun is a person, place, or thing. For example, Mrs. Baker, school, and computer are all nouns. They are people, they are places, and they are things. What are the nouns in the following sentence? My dog chewed a hole in his bed. This sentence actually has two nouns. Dog is a thing and bed is a thing. Let's look at verbs. A verb is the action that is taking place in the sentence. It's also known as a predicate. For example, ran, swim, and eat are all verbs because they are all things that you can do. They are actions. What is the verb in the following sentence? My dog chewed a hole in his bed. Chewed is the verb because it is what the dog did. The dog chewed a hole in his bed. Let's review adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe a noun. For example, yellow, big, tall, smart. They all have a description that they can describe a noun. What is the adjective in the following sentence? I wore a beautiful dress to school. The adjective in this sentence is beautiful because it is describing the noun. The noun here is a dress. It is a thing. So beautiful describes the noun. Okay, one more review. We're going to review pronouns. Pronouns take the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, he, she, they, I. What is the pronoun in the following sentence? It was her turn to swing. In the sentence, her is the pronoun. Make sure when you're using the pronoun I that it is capitalized. It is a proper pronoun and it's talking about yourself. Your turn today. On a piece of paper, I would like you to write a sentence that has a noun or a pronoun. It has to have a verb and an adjective. Then circle the noun or pronoun, underline the verb, and highlight the adjective. When you are finished, we would like you to take a picture of your sentence and upload it into Kickstand.